What's up? What's up, buddy?
I want your bike.
You want it?
Want the bike? Want me to start it?
No, don't start. Please don't start, bro. Hey, don't scare him. He's a child, bro. You will get scared. I told you, no, you'll get scared. He's a child, bro. Nothing will happen. You can go. Nothing will happen. Go, go, go. Oh, you made that kid's day. So cute, da. You liked it?
Hey, careful, it's hot.
Yeah. Don't touch the bike, it'll be very hot. Hey, which one do you think looks better? This bike or that bike? This looks better, no? Yeah. This bike looks better, no? Hey. Say this bike is better, please.
We won't get spot, but we'll sit off.
Come. Look, that kid is going there now. Oi, no bikes only today. What is happening? Oi, no bikes only today. What is happening? Oi, no bikes only today. What is happening? Ooh, Gixxer!
Dude. I'm wondering what's the psychopath trying to kill you, bro.
Oh fuck, what's up, bro? What's up? How are you, da? I didn't know you bought this. I thought you had Gixxer. Oh, nice. I was wondering what is this Lita class sound? So good, so good. My god.
Bye, boys. See you, da.
Bye, bro.
Next month I'll come.
Hopefully.
Pakka.
Too many people, bro. Guys, look at this Bandit. Suzuki Bandit. Crazy bike. It's not age, it's attitude. That's what the number plate says. I mean, that's what it says under the number plate. So it's beautiful, man. Nice to look at such bikes. I wish I had the privilege to own such bikes, but there's something different, man. Something different, absolutely. Look at the bike. Beautiful Bandit. Suzuki Bandit, see? Bandit, Suzuki. Huh?
Bandit.
Come on! I was making fun of Harley gang at that time, and I forgot that we have Harley in the group. Oh, this is no entry. Forgot. Hey, we did it. You know what? Hey, we did it. You know what? nice, you know. I loved all of this. Beautiful. We've gotten off the highway and we're heading towards Yellagiri. I have come here quite a few times. I don't remember when the last time was. I think it was with Arman and Ritvik itself. Yeah, I remember the TBG boots. My older viewers will know that I had TBG boots and I tore and threw them over here only in Yellagiri. Because after one ride those boots disintegrated. You see, JD's riding is so fast and heavy, right? So, you know, I need some heavy duty boots. We'll go now. They'll come, it's one route, let's go. Come fast, bro, let's go, go. We can't stop in the turning and all. Wait, I don't remember this, man. Like, why does it feel like I'm going to the first time to Yellagiri? Because I don't remember coming under this bridge and all. I think it's a different route. I don't remember all this. I don't remember this route at all. Beautiful, man. Look at the hills. From there, starting all the way over there on our left till I can see the end. The GoPro wouldn't have picked it up, but crazy. Actually, this route is nice. If we take our bikes up here, no, it'll be nice. We can take nice pictures with the hill in the background. Let's go B mode. Nice. You know my adjectives, right? I know very few adjectives. So you guys will probably hear me repeat all these things like, oh, crazy, nice, next level. This is not next level and all, not yet. But nice, man. Fields on either side of the road. No, we have definitely not come through this route, man, to Yellagiri. This is a different route. That child was saying hi. So sweet. Man, I love these interactions, you know, like it's so nice, like they're welcoming you into their town. So we are going through this town, right? And they're just saying hi. And I make sure, like, if anyone says thumbs up or hi or waves or smile or anything, like, I do the same back. You know, I return it because it's a very sweet gesture, man. Like be a little happier and be nice to people. Like, it doesn't cost anything, right? Just a small gesture. So many bikers. You know, when there are this many bikers, I get scared because of what happened in Yercaud. If you guys watch my videos regularly, you guys will know what happened in Yercaud. There was an accident. Nice. Now this I remember. This is so nice, man. Feels so nice to ride to the hills. Woohoo! I remember we took a picture over here after this board. I threw my boots. The boot sole over here, I remember. Oh my god. Checkpost is there ahead. Hopefully they don't stop us in the checkpost unnecessarily.